In this tutorial, we will cover how to create and execute a workflow. In previous tutorials, we covered how to upload a dataset, create a dataset, and how to create a project. First, to create a workflow, we need to move to the Workflows page using the menu at the top of the page. Next, we can use the Create button in blue here on the right side of the page. There are two types of workflows in Fire Insights: Spark workflows and PySpark workflows. These differ slightly in the nodes that are available within each workflow. You can also add both types of workflows to the same project. For this tutorial, we will create a Spark workflow. Now we can add the nodes which we want to use. For this tutorial, we will use the dataset which we created in a previous tutorial. We can also see the datasets that are available in this workflow using the Datasets tab. We can also search for nodes using the search at the top of the nodes menu. Now we need to name our workflow, and we can also add a category. These categories can help you organize your workflows within a project. Now we can execute this workflow. We do this by hitting the execute button next to the save button. We can either save first, or we can execute without saving, which will automatically trigger a save. Here in the executions page, the workflow does not immediately execute. We need to hit the blue execute button here in the first pane. Before executing, we can also add different configuration options here in this box. We can also assign values to the parameters that we created within our workflow, or set up email alerts using these boxes. If we want to, we can also execute a workflow in debug mode. Now we will execute this workflow. Once the execution starts, a progress bar here at the top will show the number of nodes that have been executed currently. If we scroll down here in the execution page, it will also show a short message as each node is executed. We do not need to stay on this page to execute a workflow. Here in the project, we can also go to the Executions tab and see all of the executions that have been completed. Or if they are still being completed, the status will show it here. Workflows will execute whether you are on the page or not. We can also view the logs or view the workflow details using the buttons here under the View column. Thank you for listening.